on one domain, like application security. So also just want to I want you to let little bit of introduction so that I can understand how much of knowledge do you have in cybersecurity or what kind of experience you bring.
Sir, actually, sir, my name is Sundarajan, sir. My name is Sundarajan. I have completed BEEE, sir.
Okay.
BEEE 2011 passed out. Previously, I was a electrical testing engineer, quality control, manufacturing, production line, sir. Fully non IT field, sir.
Non-IT. Okay.
For purely non IT.
Okay.
So now I switch into cybersecurity domain, sir. Changing my profile.
Okay. 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 I got some idea now. Got it.
Okay, sir.
See, what is first of all, cybersecurity is like. So I will explain you what is cybersecurity. It's like, as you know, like most of the applications are
Mm.
going now digital. Like most of the businesses are now going on digital, right?
Yes, sir.
Like if you want to grow your business, definitely the application should be available in the internet. So available in the internet means they have to build their web application, they have to build their mobile application, and different kinds of applications they have to build. Like it might be Windows, Mac, or iPhone, anything. But before making it available to the internet, right? So
Mm.
if you are putting something in the internet, it is available to all, like for you, me, also for the hackers, right?
Yes,
Also
sir.
bad actors who might be uh, doing some bad intention, so doing some malicious activities on your system or like that. Think like we are a business person and we want to develop an application. So if you are like bringing this application to the internet, so it should be also first validated whether it is properly secured or not, right? Before you go into the internet. So that process, what we are doing is application security. Okay, we
Okay,
are
okay, sir.
a application before going into the live or before going into the internet. That is the line where we are.
Mm.
So this would be the core structure. Okay, introduction to the application security. So we will be learning what is the overview of application security. Some very basic technology topics we will be talking about. I like
Mm.
the application also we will in such a way I will teach. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
I will also teach you like why is the reason we are doing this application security, when we have to do this application security, and how to secure. So that is also we have to learn. So when, why, how. So that question you will be able to answer after this course. And how is like how you will be doing as an application security engineer. Because I am a application security engineer currently. Like I'm working as a product security engineer. Okay.
Mm.
So I
Okay.
know what are the daily responsibilities and what are the day-to-day tasks and how we coordinate with different teams like development team, DevOps team, and so how I will be performing. Like entirely, I made a course structure in that way only. Okay, from very advanced or from very basic to very advanced level. Okay,
Okay, okay.
and we will learn what is basic security concepts like CIA tried. CIA means confidentiality, integrity, availability. Like confidentiality means so there is application. I will take example of Amazon here. Okay, we as
Okay.
we use regularly, and you are aware of that. So if application like Amazon is accessible for any other person, like if you are able to access the admin level privilege of the application, okay, Amazon application, like you can delete the products or you can delete the database. So those kind of access, if you are having, means if you gained somehow by hacking, so then you are losing the confidentiality. Then if there is any kind of price modification kind of thing, right? Price modification in the Amazon price of product. So then you are losing the integrity. If the application itself is down, it's not available on the internet or it is showing some 500 error, server error, something like that, then it is losing the availability. So what is our goals? Our goal is to satisfy these three concepts or these three principles: confidentiality, integrity, availability. I just given an overview for now, but we will go in depth later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then traditional model application, how are they now? Like how the traditional web applications were there, how it moved to the single page applications. Then APIs also came. Then microservices, cloud native. So these all we will discuss in from very detail, in very simple way, the real analogy. Okay, and real world security breaches. Like we will see the case studies, like with how if we do not do the application security properly, what will happen, right? That we will see here in this section. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
comes front end, back end, database. What is those? Because you need to also understand the application, right? If you are
Hmm.
not understand the application, how will you secure? So we should know at least the application, how does it work, and also that we will discuss here. So this will be the module one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For module 2 we will discuss about the networking concepts, like how internet work, right? How
Hmm.
internet like how the data from your mobile is sent into another mobile, or how the WhatsApp message is going to another people, like mobile. So you will, if you want to understand that in detail, right? So you will be able to understand once we complete this module, like networking topics. Okay.
Okay,
How
sir.
HTTP works, HTTPS works, what is a domain name system. Okay, what is a, like we will be seeing, right? Google.com and IP address, it will be converting, how it will be converting, authentication, authorization, everything. Then security and best practices. So here we will be seeing the vulnerabilities. So this is a term that you need to use in a daily life. Like if you are an application security engineer, okay? Like vulnerability means something, a weakness in a system. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Example, uh, like if there is a house, okay? If
Hmm.
there is a house and there is a broken lock for a house, okay?
Hmm. Okay.
That broken lock is the weakness in the house, right? If
Hmm. Okay.
someone, a thief can enter into the house via that broken lock and he can steal the money. So
Hmm.
that the broken lock is the weakness in the house. That is the vulnerability for that house. Similarly, if there is any kind of a open wall in the application, if there is any kind of a open port for anyone entering into the application, application means what? Server
Hmm.
like data centers will be there, right? AWS, cloud. So those are all are different topics. We will also discuss about them also. Okay.
Azure.
So unless you don't know the weakness, you
Hmm.
cannot secure them, right? First, you should know there is a broken lock. Then only you will exchange it, or you will patch it. You will try to repair it. Otherwise, you won't be able to like change it, right? If you are not identifying your weakness, you cannot be able to solve that solution, right? So that we will be discussing here. What are the weaknesses of the system? How we need to secure them? How we can patch them? How we can prevent them? Okay, everything. Then comes SDLC, software development life cycle. Okay, like how the application. Let's say you are a business person and you have a business. Now you want to grow your business, so that's why you came to internet. And so think you are a very big business. You have a, and you want to available on the internet so that someone can buy on the internet and like pay you the cash, like that. So like how Amazon is doing right now, right? Not only Amazon. If you take of any other brand like Snitch, they have their own website, right? So everyone will be create their own websites to sell their products. So what? So they won't go to directly a services company, IT services company like TCS, Infosys, or Cognizant and say, "Give me a application build like that." Right? There will be certain process. Like first there will be requirement gathering, then there will be some planning, then writing coding, then there will be testing, then there will be deploying. So that process and all you will be able to understand here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then there is different kinds of techniques that you can secure your code or application, so that you will be able to understand by using the tools. From here we will be starting entire practicals. Okay, from module 4 till module 5, everything. Module 6 we will discuss about the soft concepts, how you can coordinate with different say cyber security teams. So SOC is different cybersecurity team. How you can, as an application security engineer, coordinate with them. And then IAM also different cybersecurity engineering team. How you can coordinate with them. So that's also we can cover. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And so basically we will cover end to end, like how I do right in my day-to-day life, the same activities from very basic to advanced. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see some of the example, I'll just cover these slides a bit. So what is application security? So what is the application first? Application is a program or software designed to perform specific tasks, right? Some specific tasks, like if you take the example of Flipkart or Amazon, what they are doing, they are selling and buying, right? So you see, these are some examples of the application. WhatsApp, okay, WhatsApp and Google Chrome is also itself an application, right? Facebook is an application, Gmail is an application. So these are all the applications. It might be web application, mobile application, any type of application. So what is application security referring to? So this is the process of identifying and repairing vulnerabilities in the application software. So there will be vulnerability means what? Weakness in the application. So that we need to identify first. What are the weaknesses are there in the application? Then we need to repair. Repair means patch them or solve them, right? To prevent unauthorized access. Like any third person should not be able to access who don't have the access to the application, and modification or misuse. So these kind of thing we need to secure. So that is application security. So what why application security matters means, like if there is no application security, financial losses can be happen, data breaches, loss of trust on the application. Okay. So if there is a competition for Amazon, that is Flipkart. If the Amazon is leaking some data, okay, like mobile numbers or email IDs from its application server, then immediately the customer will switch to the better one. Okay, or Flipkart or any other kind of a e-commerce application platform, or similarly Zomato or Swiggy. If there is any kind of application error, like some weakness is there in any application, immediately they will move on to the competitive application, right? If there is issue in the Zomato, move on to the big Swiggy. So that's how it works. So they lose the trust, they lose the data, they lose the financials, right?
Yes, sir.
So legal issues also they might need to face. Okay, so legal issues. If there is any national security applications, okay, some defense related applications, if there is leakage in that application, if someone hacked that defense related application, then what will happen? Like entire national security will be lost. So that kind of a thing can be also social, like reputational damage, impact, economic impact, operational disruption, legal and regulatory consequences, societal impact. Like if there is any application that records, not records, there you post something, or like WhatsApp, you send some videos or like that. If that videos got leaked, so that is also weakness of the WhatsApp, right? That is the weakness of the WhatsApp. So they are not able to secure our privacy. So those kind of things will happen if there is no application security. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then, as I said, the goals of the application security, confidentiality, integrity, availability. I know this might be little new to you. Okay. That's why what I did is I have already made some definitions. Okay. Due to time constraint, actually, I have call at 6 o'clock. Otherwise, that's why I got delayed due to the traffic. I came late to home. 10 minutes I lost, but I just want to tell you, like these are the like definitions we will starting. First, we will understand each and every definition. Like I feel like cybersecurity is a type of a language. Okay, so
Okay.
where you have to learn each terminologies because you will be using that in your daily work life. So that's why you need to understand each concepts first. What is authentication? What is authorization? What is session? Cookies? So these are all first we will learn. Then we will go to the course. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any doubts till now?
So cybersecurity, sir, nowadays, cybersecurity course, sir, worth means job openings, sir, job openings. Hello.
So that, like, you can choose one thing, cyber security, yeah, because there is lot of competition, not competition, but lot of scope for cyber security now. And
Mm,
if you want to research, there are other also AI related things. Okay, you can
mm,
also implement AI related things in cyber security. Anywhere AI can be merged, not only cyber security, I'm saying. And there is also data engineering. That is another kind of
mm,
job roles or that are booming because of the lot of data. Okay,
mm,
and if you see, right, what are the top future jobs, so you will be able to cover, like, see this one of it, application security, cyber security related things.
okay, okay.
And this is the big domain. If you see, application security is a big domain in the cyber security. There are a lot of domains actually. I'm not
Mm,
saying like I'm having experience in this, that's why I'm not recommending to that you. But all I'm saying is, you see, the world is coming to digital world. Like every business is coming to digital world. So if
mm,
they have to come to digital world, they have to be secure in digital world. So who are securing that? That we are doing. Okay, as an application security engineer or a product security engineer or
mm,
any kind of security tester. So we are doing that. So
okay.
you need to see in that way. Also, you go and search for the application security engineer role in the LinkedIn, okay,
Mm,
in jobs portal, and see not only application security, any other data engineers. See how
mm,
many jobs are available, what kind of like uh, experience they are asking. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, nowadays IT companies maximum into layoff. But this time, after coming to AI, lot of opportunities are less compared to this field, cybersecurity field. How to manage, sir? How to manage?
Okay.
Understand, sir?
Yeah, yeah. So you are saying like how cyber security will overcome AI. That
Yes, yeah, yes, sir.
So that depends. See, one thing, all we cannot make on the decision of AI because security is sensitive. Okay, one thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you are not making assurance of the security with a person or a person who is an experienced one, so other then AI cannot be able to do that. So something AI can automate in security as well. I'm not saying cannot. Some like if you're working any kind of a ticket, right? So you have updated the comments one time. The service now next time itself it will give the solution to the person who will raise the ticket. Okay, that is SOC related things. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
some
Sir,
incident related things or SOC related things or like that.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Sundar.
சார் தமிழ் பேசலாமா சார் தமிழ் கேட்கலாமா தமிழ்
No, I'm from Hyderabad.
ஓ சாரி சார் சாரி சார் சாரி சார்
Uh,
மை டவுட் இப்போ லாட் ஆஃப் இப்போ ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் ஆக்குப்பை ஆல் தி செக்டர் இன் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சாஃப்ட்வேர் ஃபீல்டு
mm-hmm.
ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் ஏஐ இது impact all the software developer field but sir, how only possible to manage this, sir? எப்படி அது overcome பண்றது this field cyber security?
Okay. See, one
lot
thing is,
so job
mm,
opening வந்து lot of job openings in this domain, lot of job openings.
mm, I'm not saying like there are not there are no openings for another roles. There are job openings for all the different domains as well. But depends how you are leveraging the AI or how you are using the AI in your day-to-day task. So one thing is always we need to be in a mindset of how we can automate the things. Okay, wherever
Mm,
there is a repetitive chance, we need to automate them. If you are repeating the same task right daily, okay, if you are
mm,
repeating the same task, you need to automate it. Otherwise, someone will automate it and will take your job. Okay, like that.
okay, sir.
Otherwise, one more thing, you need to utilize the AI related. You need to be updated by the AI. I'm not only saying according to the cybersecurity, you might be thinking to become a developer or a tester or anything. You need to be like try to grasp easily the new technologies. Sorry, now we are till agentic, sorry, till chat GPT only, but we should be using agents also. See how Claude is working, how we can develop something using the AI, how we
Hmm.
can just automate something like that. You have to think. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm. I'm not saying like you try it, like how you can do it or how I can just
Hmm.
get more knowledge. Okay, see
Okay, sir.
some research about it. Then you will
Hmm.
be able to understand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Any other doubts?
Sir, we come back to after the course completed, then fresher வந்து ஈஸியா மூவ் பண்ணலாமா? Fresher candidates are lot of openings are experience only.
Freshers, you are saying, right? Freshers, it is tough for cybersecurity, but different roles will be there. Not application security, you can try, but there will be less role.
That's true. Sir,
Hmm.
can it possible to fresher in this cybersecurity field, or not to only uh, experienced guy go to lot of openings? Fresher or experience?
Experience will be having a lot of openings comparing to the freshers.
Fresher. Okay. Okay. Sir, my career is actually 8 years. 8 years worked in non-IT field, sir. Core field, testing, quality control, electrical safety, purely core field. But me understand to switch over the in computer software field. This time, my age is 36, sir. 36. My age.
Okay.
Okay, it is any possible or